right, so I found the biggest flaw in the Osmo Pocket 3 from DJI. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, so I did a bunch of videos using this as my main camera, and I noticed in the background, it was just like way overexposed. Like, I mean, look at this. It's just like way overexposed. And, you know, I was wearing sunglasses at the time, so just looking at that little screen, I couldn't see that it was that bad. But there's a fix for that. First of all, I just gotta say, I love this camera. I think this is great. And if you're new here, you know, don't be a stranger and click that button. What I have it in right now is product showcase focus. And really what you want it in is continuous focus. So that's why it's getting all blown out. Ready? Hold on, ready? I'm gonna switch it right now. So now it's in continuous focus, but also if you kind of swipe over when you're recording, you can actually adjust the EV comp, and I have it down to -1, so that makes the background not as blown out. I mean, you might want a little bit more, you know, highlights on your face, depending on how bright it is. Yeah, that was the main thing. I was noticing like my footage was just so overexposed in the background, and even a little bit on me. And then I was like, I kept it on product showcase focus, and that's really what was doing it. So I guess really what I'm trying to say is the #1 flaw of this camera is the user error. So make sure you have it in continuous focus, and also not trying to just be clickbaity on this. This is a really good tip to have when you're out, especially if you're not really looking at the screen properly. You want to make sure that, you know, it's a better exposure versus like, you know, yeah, that's really bright. But anyway, again, Pocket 3, still my favorite camera. I use it all the time. It is just great for getting shots, especially out and about, and the fact that you have your microphone set up right there, and it sounds good even with like road noises and things like that. Plus, you know, you can see yourself on screen and just make sure your shot's good and not overexposed. But there we go. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy the view, and see you next time.
Mr. Black.